Hey everybody, it is July 3rd. It's 8 o'clock p.m. and it is 95 degrees. I came out to water the garden because I told you guys in my last video that's what I decided to do. But I want you to see the sign that my daughter, my son-in-law, and Brian and Bria, my grandchildren, put out. Tomorrow is my birthday, and I'll be 72 years old, and I am just so grateful. And as I said, I already watered the garden, and now I'm watering the area where I downsized. Right in the front where I'm watering, in front where that sign is, I decreased the garden by 2 feet, and on the side where I'm watering right now, I decreased and I put sod down. And on the corner, I decreased by 4 feet. But right there where the DAY is, I keep going inside of that area to, water and to harvest my eggplant, peppers, okra, red hibiscus flowers, cantaloupe, sugar baby watermelons. I keep walking on that area, and so we're probably just gonna have to wait until the fall, late fall or early winter, to put sod out in that area, in that corner. But I'm happy to let you all know that they're going to have a birthday party for me tomorrow. I've been receiving some gifts already, and I'll share those with you in another video. This is the first year that we've had leafhoppers. I used to get some leafhoppers at my old location, but since I hadn't had any over here, I gave my vacuum away, my little handheld one. Anyway, I put that on my list of things that I wanted when my children asked me what I want for my birthday, and Brian and I were able to capture some leafhoppers and some aphid eggs today. Let me show you those. This sunflower has grown even another foot since I last videotaped it. It is over 9 feet. And I'm sorry you couldn't see the bugs actually going into the vacuum, but I'll share it later in another video close up in the daytime. I was able to get some aphid eggs as well as some leaf hoppers. You can see one is still alive that's crawling around inside of this cordless handheld vacuum. Anyway, I'll share it, like I said, in another video. Take care, everybody. God bless. Have a wonderful holiday. I know I'm going to enjoy mine. Thanks for watching. Bye now.